A Turkish expert said that China has made a strong contribution to global biodiversity conservation. China holds the presidency of the ongoing United Nations Biodiversity Conference and hosted the Phase 1 meeting in Kunming, Yunnan Province. The second phase of COP15 in Montreal, Canada, runs on December 7th to 19th with the continued theme of ecological civilization, building a shared future for all life on Earth.
As the president of COP15, China is preparing for the second part of the conference to the United Nations Convention of Biological Diversity after the first part of the COP15 conference in October 2021 in Kunming. So far, China has made a strong contribution to global biodiversity conservation. During the Kunming conference, China put forward some specific targets and established a fund around $215 million to fund and protect biodiversity. Conservation, sustainable use, and benefit sharing are the targets of COP15, but a number of challenges still lie ahead. There is still a large gap in funding requirements to ensure the achievement of the biodiversity goals. More financial contribution from the global north countries is necessary to fulfill the conservation targets in the global south countries.
The COP15 meeting is expected to conclude next week with the adoption of a post-2020 global biodiversity framework aiming to save nature for future generations to come.